SolidGigs Freelancer Platform Review Usage Experience. In today's video, we're diving into SolidGigs, a freelancer platform designed to connect professionals with high-quality job opportunities. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or virtual assistant, SolidGigs aims to streamline your freelance career by curating the best gigs from across the web, saving you time on job hunting and delivering relevant leads. Unlike other platforms that bombard you with a sea of generic listings, SolidGigs focuses on quality over quantity, handpicking the top 1% of freelance opportunities for you. The platform's standout feature is its curated job board, which is updated daily with the latest hand-vetted gigs, ensuring that you only get access to the most valuable and legitimate job postings. There's also a comprehensive resource library packed with guides, templates, and tools to help freelancers build their businesses, improve their skills, and stay competitive in a rapidly changing market. SolidGigs offers a membership model, which gives you exclusive access to these resources and the curated job board. This is particularly beneficial for freelancers who want to avoid the noise and get straight to the opportunities that match their expertise and income goals. Who is SolidGigs for? Primarily, it's for freelancers looking to avoid the hassle of sorting through endless listings on other platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. If you're someone who values your time and prefers a more streamlined approach, SolidGigs is an excellent choice. It's also ideal for those who may not have the time or patience to sift through low-paying gigs and want to focus on more lucrative professional opportunities. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned pro, SolidGigs offers a range of resources to help you grow and sustain your freelance career. On the usability side, the platform is intuitive and easy to navigate, with a clean interface that allows you to find the right gigs without any friction. The daily email alerts also keep you in the loop on the latest job listings based on your preferences, so you don't miss any opportunities. The membership fee is quite reasonable given the time it saves and the high quality of leads provided. In conclusion, SolidGigs offers a unique and efficient way for freelancers to find high-quality work without the overwhelm of traditional job boards. If you're looking for an easy-to-use platform that gives you access to curated opportunities and valuable resources, SolidGigs could be the perfect fit for you.